The Bureau of Immigration issues yet another warning to job seekers on the depredations and activities of illegal recruiters, headhunters, and human traffickers. We'll have the full report from Joy Gumatay.
The Bureau of Immigration has a warning to Filipinos who want to work abroad. Just recently, the government agency received a complaint from a 49-year-old Filipina who became a victim of human trafficking in China. According to the Filipina, her Chinese employer, whom she met in Manila, promised to give her a household job once they arrive in China. However, to speed up the processing of travel documents, her employer applied for a tourist visa, not a working visa for her. Few weeks upon reaching China, her employer suddenly disappeared together with her passport. She was then put to jail when Chinese authorities found out that her stay in the country is considered illegal.
Napakalaking responsibilidad po nito dahil alam naman po natin kung gaano karaming kababayan natin ang nagnanais magtrabaho sa ibang bansa regardless of the cost. Regardless of whether they are properly documented, isa lang ang hangarin nila makapaghanap ng magandang trabaho abroad at kumita ng enough para sa pamilya nila.
The Bureau of Immigration is working with the Interagency Council Against Trafficking under the Department of Justice as they are conducting various investigations to determine the victims of such heinous act, not just in China, but also in other countries where overseas Filipinos are working. Furthermore, the Bureau of Immigration is strengthening its intelligence unit to improve its services to the Filipino people.
Hangarin po ng pamahalaan is idaan nila sa proseso yung recruitment para tayo rin po bilang protector ng ating mamamayan, kahit nasa ibang bansa sila, mabigyan natin sila ng kaukulang tulong because we know that they left as overseas Filipino workers. Napaka-vulnerable po ng ating kababayan pag nasa ibang bansa. So, hangarin natin ipagbigay alam sa kanila lahat ng protection na pwede natin i-extend.
For PTV News, Joy Gumatay.
Ako po si Cathy San Gabriel. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang po ang subscribe button.